Hey guys, here it is. As you may recall, Hunter had like a better Balisong case than me, and I just had this thing. And Hunter's case actually came in like a paintball gun thing. But I actually found the exact same case, and I bought it at that one place, Dick's. That's it. For like, I don't know, like $6, $8, and it's the exact same thing, except mine is gray, as you can see. But here it is. You just open it up. Top layer, Balisong, top thing, close that, open it up, and bottom part, I put some stickers on it just because I was bored. Bottom compartments, I have boxes for my Balisongs, broken Balisong, tool, mini Balisong, tool, parts, yeah, just random stuff. I like this case a lot better. It's really cool. Got a lot of random stuff in it. But, got all that cool stuff in it. So, I like this case a lot. Way better than my old one. Here's my room. T for speed, poster, TV, TVAX, Turtax, turtle. There's my turtle, random stuff, my futon. My bed is over in that general area. Computer. Closet. So, yeah. That's my case and my room, apparently.